This is short division with the division board. So the first step is to look at the dividend, 4,268, and count that out in our beads. So we have our units, tens, hundreds, and thousands. So we'll count out 8 hundreds. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And there should be a container, but I don't have one, so I'm just going to set them down right here. Next, we'll count out our tens, and we count out 6 of them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Next are hundreds. How many hundreds do we take? Yep, 2. 1, 2. And next are units of thousands, and we take 4. Okay. Our divisor is 2, so we're going to take 2 Skittles and put them here. Now, the first thing we do is start with our thousands, and we give each Skittle an equal amount. And we record how many thousands one Skittle got. And this one got 1, 2 of the thousands, so we record that here. Next, we distribute our 200s and give 1 to each Skittle. And one of them got 100. So we record that here. Next, we distribute our 6 tens. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And how much did one of the Skittles get? That's right, 3. So we record our 3 in the tens place. Next, we distribute our 8 ones. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And how many did each Skittle get? That's right, 4. So we'll record that here in the units. So we have 2,134 is our quotient.